Look around. You are not losing your mind. You're not going crazy. And your memory is not slipping. You're being played. Right now, someone in your life is methodically rewriting your reality. They twist your words. They deny conversations that absolutely happened. And they smile while doing it. Why? Because they feed on your confusion. This is gaslighting. It is a psychological weapon. And right now, you are losing the war. But what if I told you there is an ancient framework to completely neutralize their power? A secret knowledge the top 1% of thinkers use to remain untouchable. If you click away right now, you will wake up tomorrow feeling just as anxious and trapped. You will spend your golden years exhausted. But if you stay, I will hand you the exact Stoic blueprint to reclaim your mind. Watch until the end, because the final technique is something they will never see coming, permanently shattering their control. Most people let manipulators pull their strings. You argue, you defend yourself. You try to prove you are right with logic and hard-earned wisdom. Every single time you do that, they win. You literally hand them the remote control to your nervous system. Here is the terrifying truth about human nature. You cannot logic someone out of a manipulation tactic. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus famously said, "We suffer not from the events in our lives, but from our judgment about them." The gaslighter desperately relies on your emotional reaction. They need your anger. They crave your frantic desperation. When you react, you validate their false reality. To defeat them, you must embrace the first dark Stoic secret, the fortress of silence. Silence is true power. When they lie straight to your face, do not scream. Do not try to reason with them. Look them dead in the eye. Hold their gaze for 3 agonizing seconds and say absolutely nothing. Let the silence become so overwhelmingly uncomfortable that it suffocates their lie. This breaks their script. They expect a frantic defense. Instead, you give them a terrifying stone wall. But here is where well-meaning people fail. They stay silent outside, but their mind is violently screaming inside. They obsess over the profound injustice. To truly master Stoicism, you must master the art of total emotional detachment. This brings us to the next psychological trigger, radical acceptance. You have spent decades of your life building relationships, sacrificing, doing the right thing. You expect basic decency in return. It hurts deeply when they use covert manipulation against you. You constantly think, how can they treat me this way after everything I have done? Here is a hard truth tailored perfectly for you. You are exhausted because you keep expecting a snake to act like a dog. Stop expecting toxic people to act with honor. Marcus Aurelius, an emperor who dealt with massive betrayals, wrote we should wake up every morning expecting to meet ungrateful, deceitful people. When you accept their broken nature, their venom loses its sting. Their gaslighting is no longer a shock. It is just rain. You do not yell at the rain. You simply open an umbrella and keep walking. The next point is highly controversial, but it will instantly shift the power dynamic. It is the gray rock Stoic technique. 99% of society believes they must resolve every conflict. They desperately seek closure. The elite 1% knows closure is a total myth. When the manipulator tries to corner you, become as uninteresting and emotionally flat as a gray rock. They say, you always misremember things. A weak person violently argues back. A gray rock Stoic simply says, okay, or you are entitled to your opinion. Do not defend your memory. You know the truth. Your reality does not require their manipulative endorsement. This starves the emotional vampire of the fuel they desperately need. They will escalate. Watch them flail like a toddler throwing a tantrum. Your inner peace is a fortified castle. They are merely banging their weak fists against your iron gates. But wait, how do you handle internal doubt? When someone gaslights you for years, a dark shadow creeps into your psyche. You second-guess your sanity. This is the negativity bias hardwired into our ancient brains. We remember one mistake and forget 1,000 times we were absolutely right. To counter this psychological trap, you must build an objective anchor to reality. The ancient Stoics called this prosouche, or supreme attention. In the modern world, it means keeping a private, untouchable ledger of absolute truth. Document things. Write it down immediately. Not to show them, but to firmly anchor yourself. When the gaslighter boldly claims, "I never said that," you check your anchor. You know the truth. You protect your ultimate peace. You realize their distorted version of events is a sad reflection of their broken psychology, not your reality. Now for the final tactic. The one they will never see coming, amputating the ego. They only control you because you secretly care what they think. You desperately want them to see your side. Let it go entirely. The exact moment you stop caring about their perception of you, their invisible chains evaporate. You do not need their fabricated apology. You do not need their toxic validation. You only need yourself. Stay incredibly strong. Stay utterly silent. Stay absolutely untouchable.